Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to open YouTube audio library in phone. So the first thing you should do here is you have to look for your YouTube application and make sure that this one is up to date or you're using the latest version of YouTube application. Now click your profile at the bottom right corner and then here you have to scroll down and look for help and feedback. Tap this one. Now go to the search bar or search icon and you have to type here audio library, and then you should see this audio library here. Click this one and then you have to click the very first here, use music and sound effects from the audio library, and then scroll down till you see this youtube.com/audio library. Tap this one. Now you have to select which one. So for example, I'm going to open this via Chrome and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And then here you will see that you are now in the audio library here in your YouTube. So here what you're going to do is to look for the music or sound that you want to use in your video or whatever activities here in YouTube. So feel free to search and then feel free to listen. As easy as that. So here it is, and I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.